New Motor City Washworks equipment.
Yeah. Oh, goodness.
Used to be older equipment there.
Yeah.
I filmed it last year. Since it's getting replaced. Yeah, we'll go to the automatics there. Yeah, it's open. This is a brand new Motor City Washworks tunnel.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying. First time, I'm going to the new equipment. Ta-da! A new Motor City Washworks tunnel.
Hey, we're good. We just need to get a wash.
On the outside?
Yes. Just on the outside.
$15.
Okay.
Wow, look at this. A new Motor City Washworks tunnel.
Yeah, crazy, huh? That's cool.
This used to be on Macneil, Peco, Macneil, and Belanger. Used to be older equipment, mixed equipment. There, this used to be an older equipment
For
there.
real? Thank you.
Okay.
You too.
This is just a wash. Didn't get spot, Dad. No, we didn't get spot.
No.
Yeah. I'm in the new equipment. Yeah, this used to be an older equipment.
Mm-hmm.
It was. I'm going to put a link on the description for the previous equipment. Whoa. Forgot to turn this off.
It's in neutral. Hang on.
Yeah.
Sorry, the collision, anti-collision was on. Okay, sorry about that.
Yep, we got a new Motor City Washworks tunnel. Put car neutral. Put car
It's in
neutral.
neutral.
Yes.
What's that?
Put in neutral, no brake.
Yeah, no brake. I don't know why it's doing
This
that.
is weird.
Hang on. Back up a little.
No, put in neutral,
Okay. Now it's in
no
neutral.
brake.
Yep.
I got the collision
Enjoy.
off, so that doesn't stop us.
And the wipers off too.
Here we go.
Dale, pues,
There. The wipers stay.
Sale.
There's a buzzer.
Hay que sacar otro, sí. Estate listo ahí para que no lo vaya a saltar.
Yeah.
No. It's maybe the this?
Parking brake's not on.
No.
No, we shouldn't be having a problem
This
now.
is weird.
Everything's off.
This is so weird.
I don't know.
I don't either. I don't know what to tell you on this one. Oh, the auto vehicle hold. Hang on. Let me take that. It's got an auto vehicle hold. Hang on 1 second. There we go. That's what it was.
Enjoy the wash.
Yep.
Roll windows
Too
up.
much newfangled bullshit on cars.
Sorry for language. Roll the windows up now.
There we go.
Enjoy. Enjoy the wash. New equipment. Motor City Washworks tunnel. It's the top wash.
Alright, now we're rolling. Crazy shit.
Sorry for language in this video. Yeah, this is the new Motor City Washworks tunnel. The top one. Used to be a mixed older version. Brand new. It's not turning on. The buffer's not turning on. No. It's only get a top wash. And it's only get a top wash. The buffer's not coming on. Yeah, this is the Motor City Washworks ton. It's brand new. There's no drying shine not turning on. We get a top wash and get a drying shine. Yeah, this is a brand new Motor City Washworks tunnel.
Get a buff.
No, it got the middle wash. And yes, it got to the middle wash. Thanks for watching. This is a brand new Motor City Washworks tunnel. So thanks for watching.